Okay, so yeah, I will get it. You can see that everything is finished. We are closing the project. We carrying everything back to the warehouse to keep it until the time for the plastering before you can see these things again. So you can see all the balls there. We have packed everything now. We are finishing. So what we're going to do now is we will go on the tour to show you the main building. We're going to start from the garage. They just cast the front part of the garage. That's why you still see those sticks over there. So we're going to start from the garage to the living room, the master bedroom, and we will carry you all around. So I'm passing it over now to the video cameraman, the boy man. So as I was saying, this is the garage. You can see we have already done the casting of the garage. And I will also show you the post from here. Here is the post. This is the design that we were talking about the last time. The design is finished. It will look better. It will look better when we finish with the plastering and everything. So here is the garage. You can see how big the garage is. Here is the garage, and we did some additional work here today. Here, this open area you see here, we'll be putting Colombo there. Yeah, we'll be putting Colombo here. And you can see that there is already flow everywhere. So we're going to take you on the tour now in the building. Starting with the garage. We're going to pass through here. Passing through here, we are going to go to the living room. Here is the living room. This whole big area is the living room. Remember we told you about the front porch. Here is the front porch where I was talking previously. Here is the front porch. And here is the living room right here. The whole place is the living room. From the living room, we're going to come to the master bedroom. As we go around, also you can be checking on the floor to see that the floor is already all over. So here is the master bedroom. Jerry is going along with me. So you get the master bedroom right here, and you can see there is a front view here. You see this big window, there is no window for the master bedroom. And you have another window here for the back side of the master bedroom. Then you have the two windows for the master bedroom, and also you have the bathroom. But the whole area here of the bathroom, the whole place here, you can see how big it is. Here is the closet for the master bedroom. And from the closet, then we're going to go in the bathroom itself. This side is the bathroom for the master bedroom. So you can see the window for the bathroom. Everything is big. This plank will be removed later. Yeah, the company will make sure that it is removed. So we're going to continue with our tour. Master bedroom. We'll be going to show you the other rooms. Let me just do something.